Hello students, continuing the same chapter mensuration exercise 20C. Now see the solution from question number 9. See question number 9. The base of a parallelogram is twice its height if the area of the parallelogram is 512 centimeter square. Find the base and the height. So we have to find the base and height. According to the question, the figure is this. This is the parallelogram which has base twice the height. So suppose height will be x and base will be 2x. Now see the solution. In the parallelogram, let height be x and base be 2x. Since area of the parallelogram is equal to 512 centimeter square, area of parallelogram is given, and we know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of parallelogram is base into height. So area is given. Now put the value of base and height in this formula. We have base 2x into height x. 2x into x is equal to 512 centimeter square. Now 2x into x, we have 2x square. Transfer this 2 to the right side of the equal to. We have 512 divided by 2. Now we have x square is equal to 256. Now transfer this square to the right side. We have x is equal to under root 256, and we have x is equal to under root 16 into 16, and x is equal to 16 because we have to take 1 from a pair. So from these two 16s we have to take it out 1. X is equal to 16 centimeter. So height of the parallelogram is 16 centimeter and base is 2x. So 2 into 16 we have 32 centimeter. Now see the next question. Find the area of rhombus in which we have to find the area of rhombus in which we have diagonal D1 is 12 centimeter and diagonal D2 is 7.5 centimeter in the first question, and in the second question diagonal or say D1 we have 2 decimeter and diagonal D2 we have 12.6 centimeter. Now see the solution number first. We know that diagonals of rhombus, diagonals, here we have to write diagonals of a rhombus are given 12 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. We know that area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into product of diagonals, that is D1 into D2. So 1 by 2 into D1 12 centimeter, D2 7.5 centimeter, multiply it, we have 6 into 7.5 and we have total 45 centimeter square as the area. Now see the second one is diagonals of rhombus are 2 decimeter and 12.6 centimeter. Now D1 is equal to 2 decimeter, so we have to convert this decimeter into centimeter. For converting this we have to multiply it by 10. So 2 into 10 we have this 2 decimeter converted into centimeter and it will become 20 centimeter. So D2 is equal to 12.6 centimeter. Now we know the formula that area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square unit. So put the value in the formula. We have 1 by 2 into 20 into 12.6 centimeter square. So we have 10 into 12.6 and finally we have 126 centimeter square as the area. Now moving on, number 11. Find the area of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals are. Length of diagonals are given. In the first 16 centimeter by 28, and in the second 8 decimeter 5 centimeter and 5 decimeter 6 centimeter. Now see the solution number first. D1 is 16 centimeter, D2 is 28 centimeter, and we know the formula, that is area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into diagonal D1 into diagonal D2. So we have the value of diagonal D1 or diagonal D2. So put the value in the formula. We have 1 by 2 into 16 into 28 centimeter square. Calculating this, we have 384 centimeter square as the area. Now see the second. We have D1 8 decimeter and 5 centimeter. So we have to convert it in a single unit. So for converting it, we have to convert it into centimeter. So we have to multiply it by 10. Now we have 85 centimeter as D1 and 56 centimeter as D2. So its area is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. As we already know, its area is 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. So put the value in the formula. Calculating this, we have 2380 centimeter square. 2380 centimeter square is your answer. Now if you want to convert it into decimeters, so you have to divide it by 10 into 10, or say divided by 100. So we have 23.80 decimeter square. Okay, now see the next question. Question number 12. Find the area of a rhombus, each side of which measures 20 centimeter and one of whose diagonal is 24 centimeter. Now here we have to find the area of rhombus which has side 20 centimeter and the length of a diagonal is 24 centimeter, or say d1 is given. Now according to question, the figure is this. This is the side of a rhombus, that is 20 centimeter, and this is the diagonal d1 AC, that is 24 centimeter. It is given. Now see here, we have 4 triangles in it after drawing the second diagonal. So we have triangle AOB. We have triangle AOB. Now see the solution. Side of a rhombus is equal to 20 centimeter and one of the diagonal length is 24 centimeter. Now let ABCD be the rhombus. This ABCD be the rhombus. AB is equal to 20 centimeter and AC equal to 24 centimeter as given in the question. Now the diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Thus AC is equal to AO plus OC. Here AC is equal to AO plus OC, or AO is equal to half AC, or if you want to take out AO, so AO is equal to 1 by 2 AC, half of the AC, and AC is 24 centimeter, so half of the AC is 12 centimeter. So AO is equal to 12 centimeter. Now in triangle AOB, this triangle AOB, AO is equal to 12 centimeter, AB is equal to 20 centimeter. We have to find BO. We have to find BO. Now using Pythagorean theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So what is hypotenuse here? Here AB is the hypotenuse, base is the AO, and height is BO. So here hypotenuse AB square, base AO square plus height BO square. Now put the value. We have 20 square is equal to 12 square plus BO, we don't know, height we have to find it, so BO square. Now squaring it, we have 400 is equal to 144 plus BO square. Now transfer this 144 to the left side. We have 400 minus 144, that is 256 is equal to BOs. Now transfer this square to the left side. We have under root 256 is equal to BO. Now we have BO is equal to 16 centimeter. So length of the other diagonal D2, that is BD, is equal to 2 into 16. Why 2 into 16? Because BO is half of BD. BO is half of BD. This one, BO is half of BD. So we have to find the whole diagonal, or say total length of BD. We have to multiply it by 2. So here 2 into 16, that is 32 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of rhombus. So area of rhombus goes like 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. So put the value in the formula. We have 384 centimeter square as the area. Now moving on next. Number 13. The area of a rhombus is 148.8 centimeter square. If one of its diagonal is 19.2 centimeter, find the length of the other diagonal. Here area of rhombus is given and the length of first diagonal is given. We have to find the length of the other diagonal. So according to question, the figure is this. Area is given, d1 is given, and we have to find the length of the other diagonal. So let's see the solution. Given that area of rhombus 148.8 centimeter square, d1, also diagonal 1, is given 19.2 centimeter. Now area, we know that area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square unit. Here put the value in the formula. Area, that is 148.8 centimeter square, 1 by 2, d1 is given 19.2. We have to find d2, that is other diagonal. So calculate this. Transfer this whole thing to the left side. We have 148 multiplied by 2 divided by 19.2. Now calculating this, we have 1488 upon 192. Cut it with a table, and we have 186 upon 24 into 2. Now cut this again by with a table. We have 31 upon 2. Here 31 upon 2 centimeter is equal to d by 2. Sorry, second diagonal. Now calculating this, we have 15.5 centimeter as the length of the other diagonal. So the length of the other diagonal is 15.5 centimeter. Now moving on next. Number 14. The area of a rhombus is 119 centimeter square and its perimeter is 56 centimeter. Find its height. Here area of rhombus is given and perimeter is given. We have to find the height of the rhombus. So according to the question, the figure is this. This is the rhombus. We don't know the side, so suppose side be x, and we don't know height. We have to find the height. Perimeter is given and area is given. Now see the solution. Given that perimeter of rhombus is equal to 56, let the side of rhombus be x. Now perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. So it has 4 sides, that is x, 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 x. So here perimeter is given 56 centimeter. Sum of all sides, that is x plus x plus x plus x. We have 4x is equal to 56 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of x. So transfer this 4 to the left side. We have x is equal to 14 centimeter. Now we have the side of the rhombus. Side of the rhombus, that is 14 centimeter. Now we know that this is very important, so listen it very carefully. We know that rhombus is also called parallelogram. Rhombus is also called parallelogram, but parallelogram can't be rhombus, can't be called rhombus. Always remember that rhombus is also called parallelogram, but parallelogram cannot be called as rhombus. So this is the trick to find the given height of the rhombus. So here rhombus is also called parallelogram. Now given area of rhombus is 119 centimeter square. Now we know that area of parallelogram, here base into height. We have base into height. So area is given, base we have 14 centimeter as we find out the side. So base is 14 centimeter and we have to find the height. So putting the values, and we have height is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Now right, hence height of the rhombus is 8.5 centimeter. So this is very important for this question. Now coming to the next 15 number. The area of a rhombus is 441 centimeter square and its height is 17.5 centimeter. Find the length of each side of the rhombus. So we have to find the length of each side of rhombus, area and the height is given. Now according to question, the figure is this. We have rhombus, we have base, height is given 17.5 centimeter and area is given 441 centimeter square. Now see the solution. Given that height of the rhombus is equal to 17.5 centimeter and its area is equal to 441 centimeter square. As we already know that we can call rhombus as a parallelogram. We can call, or say rhombus can be a parallelogram. Rhombus can be a parallelogram, but reverse is not possible. So rhombus can be a parallelogram. Now we know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So we have the area, that is 441. We have base, we don't know base, so let base be b. We have height 17.5 centimeter. Now putting the value, we have base is equal to, calculating this all these stuffs, we have base is equal to 25.2 centimeter. Hence the length of each side of rhombus is 25.2 centimeter. Now going to the next. Now question number 16. The area of a rhombus is equal to the area of triangle. Here area of rhombus is equal to the area of triangle whose base and corresponding height are 24.8 centimeter and 16.5 centimeter respectively. So 24.8 centimeter is the base and 16.5 centimeter is the height of triangle. If one of the diagonal of a rhombus is 22 centimeter, D1 is given. We have to find the length of the other diagonal. Now according to question, the figure is this. Here D1 is given, area is equal to area because area of rhombus is equal to area of triangle. Here we have base 24.8 and height 16.5 centimeter. Now see the solution. In triangle, base is this and height is 16.5. So area of triangle, we already know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. So put the value in the formula. We have 1 by 2 into base, that is 24.8, height, that is 16.5. Now calculate it. We have 204.6 centimeter square as area of triangle. And in question, it is already said that area of triangle is equal to area of rhombus. So area of triangle is equal to area of rhombus. So area of triangle, we have taken it out, 204.6 centimeter square, and we know that area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. Here d1, length of the d1 is already given, that is 22 centimeter. Now putting the value, we have 204.6 centimeter square. Transfer this 1 by 2 to the left side, we have multiplied by 2, and here we have d1 value 22, so 22 into d2. Now transfer this 22 to the left side, we have 204.6 into 2 upon 22. Calculating this, we have diagonal 2 is equal to 204.6 upon 11, and calculating this further, we have 18.6 centimeter as the length of second diagonal. So the length of the other diagonal of the rhombus is 18.6 centimeter. So student, listen it very carefully and write in your copy. Thank you.